Hi guys. All right, one more time with the Fridgesmart containers. This is my Fridgesmart container and this is my lettuce, and I was ripping it apart into this salad bowl, making a little salad when I was like, listen to this. Whoop. Lettuce just went flying. Anyway, you hear how crispy that is? Yeah. This lettuce was purchased December 22nd. Today is January 2nd. So from December 22nd to January 2nd, this lettuce is perfect. I took the core off, you know, that hard thing on the bottom a while back, and put this partial head of lettuce in this Fridgesmart container. Anyway, wanted you to see it. Thanks for watching. Bye.